Welcome to Bard Tech Talk. I'm Maury Tiernan. Today's topic is the basic setup of a Bard MC4002 lead lag controller. The MC4002 is used to control two wall mount air conditioners with or without economizers and will alternate usage of the units for equal wear. Follow Bard Manual 2100-614 for installation and operation details. This manual has excellent details about the controller. The MC4002 has a standard temp sensor sticking out the bottom of the enclosure and a built-in temp sensor on the main board that averages the temps together. Use up to two optional temp sensors, 8612-023B, with a 35-foot leads are available to be added. All sensors are polarity sensitive. The MC4002 controller is powered by the HVAC unit's 24-volt circuit. Terminal connections are located on the main board. The controller will operate with only one unit connected. However, the program must be set to 0 days lead lag for one unit. Otherwise, you will get a power loss alarm if the controller has an optional alarm board and no jumpers are added, R to R and C to C. On the front of the MC4002 are the on-off button. Push on, the display will light up. Push off, the display will go dark. The comfort button is used to change the cooling and heating set points to 72 and 68 for 1 hour while a service tech is at site. Pushing again before the 1 hour expires and the controller goes back to previous set points. Push the program button until PROG is displayed. Use the up-down buttons to go through the menu. Run through the program one time without changing anything to notice the default settings. Push program again to exit. Push the Advance Change Save button to swap lead lag unit's position. This may be useful during service or maintenance. This function is not available when LLCO is set to 0 for one unit control. When in program mode, as stated above, a flashing display will indicate you are in that step, its default, and will alternate between the step and the setting in the step. Use the up-down arrow to move to the step you want to change. To change the setting, press the Change button and the display will stop flashing, allowing you to change the setting using the up-down arrows. Press Save to capture your change. When done, press Program button until the display stops flashing. This chart on the front of the MC4002 controller or in the manual on page 8 shows the step, the range, and the default setting from Bard. If you agree with the default settings, make no changes. The default settings are being used by many shelter manufacturers as is. Some comments here. SP is the cooling set point with a default of 77 degrees Fahrenheit. The heating set point is 17 degrees lower than the cooling set point. Left untouched, your default heating set point is 60 degrees. This is good for most applications, except for very cold winter climates with the ambient consistently below 32 degrees. C fan is for continuous blower operation. Default is none. Only consider to change if you are having hot spots in the building. LLCO, lead lag changeover default, is every 7 days. The only detail here is if you use one MC4002 on one unit. You need to change this setting to 0. All the other settings should be good to go and need no changing. That's the basic setup of the MC4002. Look for an advanced video coming soon. Hope this was helpful. See you next time we talk Bard Tech.